गाइस नमस्ते, मैं हूँ आपकी होस्ट एंड दोस्त वर्षा। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल।
Honestly, I do not regret any moment, but I can say that every moment has given me वो बोलते हैं ना learning lesson. It has been a learning lesson. So I could have been a little more patient, and I would have avoided throwing water on Rocky. So वो एक ऐसा है कि थोड़ा सा मैं और सह लेती उनके अत्याचार तो मैं I would have been that episode wouldn't have happened. So that's all I can say.
Listen, Rubina, I was also very shocked when I saw you doing that because I wasn't expecting. I mean, like knowing you since so many years, it was very like
Yeah.
ऐसे कैसे हो गया? But generally, मतलब उतना इतना गुस्सा क्यों आया रुबीना को उस वक्त?
यार क्या होता है ना, जिन लोगों से आप उम्मीद करते हो ना वो लोग जब आपका दिल तोड़ देते हैं ना और उसके बाद बैक स्टैबिंग शुरू हो जाती है ना, एंड आई एम वेरी लॉयल टू माई रिलेशनशिप्स. I go out of my way to accommodate people, out of my way to forgive them, out of my way to let go of things, ugly things that have happened. But राखी के केस में ना वो उनकी तरफ से ना उनको वो लाइन उनकी वो होता है ना, उनको अपनी सीमा नहीं पता है या फिर वो मतलब जानते बूझते वो ये करती थी. आई डू नॉट नो दैट, बट टू हैव पेशेंस and tolerate things from the person that I had so much faith in, it was unbearable. Matlab, imagine I was so hurt that I was bound to react in that way. I wasn't angry on her, I was hurt. I was so hurt कि यार जिन लोगों ने आपका साथ दिया, my husband is my pride, you are talking shit about my husband, and that too on my back, on knowing that you know how much we have done for you, how much we have respected you, how much we have loved you. So it was a hurt, out of that hurt sentiment, it was like I really don't care now, and it has to just, I can't take it anymore. वो feeling था, it wasn't aggression, at all. It was a feeling of being so hurt and so let down by a person that you had no other choice than to just let that person know कि यार अब हद होगी, बस करो, वैसा था.
If I ask you one moment when you felt like running away from that house, because staying in that house is not easy at all.
Yeah,
so I'm sure there must have been moments when you felt like यार कहाँ आ गए, please निकलना है यहाँ से.
यार ऐसा तो I mean ऐसा तो बहुत बार हुआ है, because honestly मतलब वो घर ही ऐसा है यार जहां पर आप अपना सब्र बहुत जल्दी खो देते हैं, जहां आपकी पेशेंस बार बार टेस्ट होती है, जहां आप ये कैसे एक्सप्लेन करूं, आपके लिए ना टेस्टिंग टाइम्स आर रेडी फॉर यू एवरी मॉर्निंग यू वेक अप. कोई ना कोई चैलेंज इज देयर लुकिंग इनटू योर फेस, ग्लेयरिंग एट योर फेस. आज उठ जा, आज तेरे लिए ये चैलेंज है. लिटरली ऐसा होता था. तो ऐसे तो बहुत सारे मौके थे यार जहां ऐसा लगा ऑफ इनफ, आई कांट टेक इट एनीमोर, या आई मतलब इट्स जस्ट नॉट वर्थ टेकिंग सो मच ऑफ हेडेक, वैसा था. तो एक पर्टिकुलर इंस्टेंस तो नहीं बोल सकूं, बट देयर वर क्वाइट अ मेनी.
How's the equation with Rakhi now? Is everything sorted? It's normal?
Yeah. Towards the end यार मैंने वो बोलते ना बोल बताकर मैंने सब कुछ, जिनके साथ भी मेरे रिश्ते बुरे हो गए थे, people where the equations had gone sour, I had made a conscious effort saying I don't want to carry this baggage out of this house. I have let go of everything. I want to begin with a clean slate. और इसके बाद however you want to connect and bring this, or maybe reconnect and rebuild the relationship ahead, I am more than happy doing it. So with everybody I just made that thing very clear and I said let's move on.
Did you get a chance to sort it out with Jasmine as well?
Absolutely. वो जो वापस क्या कहते हैं आपका फैमिली वीक में भी वापस आई थी, मैंने उससे I had made my conscious effort with her, and I had told her that I have let go of things, and I was surprised कि यार she's come back with certain baggage again. And तो मुझे समझ में नहीं आया कि यार अभी तो आप शो से बाहर जा चुके हो, अब क्या ऐसी चीजें हैं कि आपको फिर भी बॉदर कर रही है, आई डोंट नो। तो ये सब चीजें तो मेरे दिमाग में थी और फिर इसके चलते मैंने सेंस किया कि कहीं ना कहीं she's still hanging on to past things and it's becoming difficult for her. But I told her, मैंने कहा यार मेरी तरफ से clean slate है, तुम्हें जितना वक्त चाहिए, how much ever time you would want to take to let go of things, it's up to you. क्योंकि यार relationship ना दोनों तरफा होता है। एक तरफ से मैं कितनी भी कोशिश करूँ, entire season मैंने बहुत कोशिश की है, जब वापस आई तब मैंने कोशिश की है, हालांकि I did not get good vibes from her, so it's okay. उसका अपना मन है यार, जब चाहे वो, she has all the freedom to exercise her emotion. I have given it to her.
Did she wish you, I mean, I'm asking you this question because, you know, did she congratulated you? Because I'm asking you this question because, you know, I saw people trending that she did not congratulate you, she's jealous of you. So what exactly it was? Did she wish?
यार I remember stage पे जब सब मिलने आए थे तो उसने she had come and congratulate me. एक इंटरव्यू में पूछा गया था क्या जैस्मिन ने आपको फोन कर कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट किया, तो मैंने कहा था कि फोन करके कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट नहीं किया। आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट वेंट आउटसाइड। तो स्टेज पे जब वो आई थी, जैसे सब लोगों ने गले मिले, सबने कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट किया, सो शी वाज आल्सो वन ऑफ देम। बट सवाल ये था कि फोन करके क्या आपको बधाई दी गई, मैसेज दिया गया, तो डेफिनेटली आई मीन
नहीं हुआ था ऐसा,
वो नहीं हुआ। हालांकि अली का बर्थडे था तो आई हैड मैसेज्ड हिम एंड ही हैड कॉल्ड अप, ही हैड अ नाइस चैट। सो आई मीन Ali for that matter, he has maintained that relationship and I'm very happy about that.
Rubina, everybody termed you as a strong woman. Bipasha Basu also took her Instagram to, you know, to support you. She called you a strong girl. Did you went through all these posts which has been done by the celebrities in your support?
Yes, recently, I think 2 days back only, I happened to see it and I thanked them also because women coming out and supporting other women, it is such a great example.
Exactly.
And these women, they actually personify the strength of a woman, the strength of a strong woman. So you know, they are strong women. They are the ones who set examples, and it really gives me, you know, a sense of confidence that in our fraternity we are there to, you know, bring each other ahead and talk about each other and strengthen each other. And it gives me immense pride to say that wow, our industry, or our people, such figures are such examples that they really believe in talking about and appreciating about the others. So it's a great example, and I'm really humbled and proud of the fact that we have such great names in our industry.
So where everyone is addressing you as strong woman, if I ask you, what according to you has been the strongest part of you, you know, which actually made Rubina win the trophy, what that would be?
I embraced my failures with no shame. I think that's a strength in itself. Because if you have fear of rejection, if you have fear of failure, if you have fear of judgment, if you run away from criticism, that works against you. किसी को भी अपनी बुराई सुनने में अच्छा नहीं लगता है, किसी को ये कहने में अच्छा नहीं लगता कि मुझसे गलती हुई है. But I shattered those things for myself and I said, I am who I am and I have to embrace myself.